must really do like filming.
You're J.P. Monroe, right?
That's right.
And this is your club? Great club. I really love it here. Thank you for the rose.
By surprise. No? I only wore that to bring exceptional beauty.
Oh, come on. There's lots of girls you're there with me.
No. Don't do that. Don't put yourself down. You have quality. You should be proud of that. You can let that wait.
Is he stuck? He's stuck. Help him. Help him before he rips his claw out.